Today's IT job opportunities for June 24, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Software Development Engineer for Implementations. Employer: Fiserv. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $110,000. Job title: Python SWE. Employer: Shield Consulting Solutions Incorporated. Employment type: internship. Job title: Senior Java Full Stack Developer. Employer: Soho Square Solutions. Employment type: contractor. Job title: System Engineer, CPE Ground Combat Platforms. Employer: The MITRE Corporation. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $121,200 to $151,500. Job title: Java Developer AI. Employer: PTR Global. Employment type: contractor. Approximate salary: $85 to $90. Job title: Full Stack Developer. Employer: ChatGPT Jobs. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Full Stack Developer, CBP Beagle. Employer: Omivero. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Junior Software Engineer. Employer: Belay Technologies. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $70,000. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, Java and APIs. Employer: System1. Employment type: contractor. Job title: Senior Software Engineer. Employer: Charles Schwab. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $130,000 to $140,000. Job title: Full Stack Developer. Employer: TRIA Federal, TRIA. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Software Support Engineer. Employer: Capsch Group. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, Security/Privacy, Threat Intelligence. Employer: Google. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $174,000 to $253,000. Job title: GenAI Software Engineer, Technical Lead. Employer: Freddie Mac. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $165,000 to $247,000. Job title: Full Stack Developer. Employer: Omivero. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Lead Cloud Application Engineer. Employer: ThoughtStorm. Employment type: contractor. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, System. Employer: Hubble Incorporated. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Mid-level Java SWE. Employer: Shield Consulting Solutions Incorporated. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Software Engineer 1, FFPP 8772. Employer: Onyx Point, LLC. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $78,000. Job title: DevSecOps Engineer. Secret clearance eligibility required. Employer: Sherpa 6, Inc. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $105,000 to $160,000.